article saying that we don't need to fight Keith Thurman, man.
Who do you want?
It don't matter who I want because they don't give me who I want. It don't matter who I want. It matter who wants me. Who wants me?
There you go.
Put the contract together. I'll sign it.
There you go.
Look, the motto is I have a O. I'm not afraid to let it go. Beat me. Beat me. Many fighters get beat in their careers. Beat me. If you're better than me, just beat me. And then I'll stop talking. Beat me. Until that day, I'm going to be representing one time Chaos for life.
Who did you and Danny should get together, man? Who picked Danny?
All that's good. There's many a nice ones. They don't want to fight me, bro. They don't want to fight me.
I think that's probably it.
I'm scared, dude. I'm about to destroy the welterweight division. Just like how the Bible, how the walls of Jericho got destroyed overnight. All right, I'm about to destroy the welterweight division, one brick at a time.
Beat down, man. That was good.
It was good.
That was good, man.
You was mad at the end, though. Julio actually thought he quit. You was like 25.
Did he put him in the third round?
Yeah.
Hey, you're still in your prime, man.
Yeah, I was mad. I didn't even get into my snacks good. Man.
We're just touching into the prime number. Yes. That's another thing. They don't even know, man. We're only gonna get better with time, like a fine wine, man.
You sound like Muhammad Ali there.
Float like a butterfly, sing like a
bee.
You thought Muhammad was the greatest, but you haven't met me.
Yeah.
What do you think? What is his wife?
Anyway, hey, listen, good luck, bro.
What do you? San Diego.
That was the best blooper of my life.
What are your thoughts on the Porter and Malignaggi fight? What you thought about
Porter
that?
dominated Paulie like I dominated Julio Diaz, man. He looked great in his first title defense, man. He looked magnificent. Obviously, Team Porter put in a lot of hard work in training camp, and it showed in the fight. Paulie Malignaggi underestimated him, just like Devin Alexander underestimated him. You know, but I know Sean very well from the amateurs and everything, and we've worked in training camps together. I knew that, you know, I had him favored in both fights. Even when he was the underdog, I had him favored. So, you know, Sean Porter is a great contender in the welterweight division.
Do you see yourself fighting Porter in the future?
When everybody and their mama wants to see a fight, then why is the fight not happening? You know what I'm saying? So that's all it is, man. It's just a matter of time. Y'all keep barking. Tell these boys to sign a contract. I already told you, it don't matter who I want to fight. It matters who wants to fight me. Tell everybody in the world to fight Keith Thurman so Keith Thurman can get a fight, please. And thank you.